will talk about how can you add or change your photo profile on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so just go here above this sign, you just click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on options here, then come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on profile, then come to next step here to your profile. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on camera here. So then here can you check from camera or select from your library here. Just click on it, then you select photo you want to add on your profile on your Zello app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.